Gyro.
Hello everyone, Art here with another art video. Yes, I decided to put some time and talk on this video. I have been extremely busy with 2 jobs, and of course videos will take time to make, but good thing is I'm actually getting pretty fast at drawing. Well, except for coloring, it really takes a long time to color. It's also been tough due to this virus too. But don't worry, I don't get sick easily, and I'm pretty careful, and you guys should too. Well, enough about that, let's get to the drawing. So, I saw people on Twitter doing 6 fan art posts, and I decided to give it a shot, even though I only have 100 followers. I worried that I might not get 6 comments, but luckily I did got exactly 6 people to comment on my post. My buddy Savagin really likes Nia, so he jumped in for me to draw her again. Mikoto Wolfskin asked me to do Hatkid, which I never heard of, but she looks pretty cute. Others who don't follow me asked me to draw Anzu Futaba, don't know where she is from. And Gyro or Gyro, I don't know, Sapelli from JoJo's Bizarre Adventure, and Baraka from Mortal Kombat. I also gained a new follower called Noba Desert Fire, who asked for his own eevee to be drawn. I have not seen JoJo's Bizarre Adventure, but maybe I'll probably watch it someday soon. Maybe someday in the future, maybe. I got like way too much anime to watch. I was happy to draw the cute characters, but Gyro Sapelli and Baraka, I kinda doubted myself on drawing them. But I don't back down from an art challenge. I love drawing no matter how difficult it gets. I'll keep trying. I even thought this was going to take long, but no, this took 6 hours to do, and I'm proud of how fast I can actually draw now. For this drawing, I decided to try a new tool called the Paint and Apply. So pretty much I am still learning how the Clip Studio Paint program works. Pretty much it's become like my new favorite drawing program to use now. So I'm pretty much trying to get as familiar as I can with it. I got more comments on Nia and was told that they liked her posts. And the way that it came to that, I was actually working on my own anime OC character, and I was drawing expressions on the character, which led to that I don't want to say that flirty pose, which I called it, and I just kind of fell in love with it, so I decided to give it to Nia. The Hatkid pose, I just thought of making her look proud and happy because everywhere I looked on Google Images, this character is always happy. Anzu is very cute and seems to love her bunny, so I thought a cute snuggle hug would be adorable. Eevee was cute too, but it was a little difficult to draw the mouth since it's not like a normal eevee, but its creator loved it, and that's great to know. Gyro, whatever you call it, Gyro and Baraka, I felt like I didn't try hard enough, but they were pretty fun to do. They weren't that hard to draw. Just had to look at an image and try to get as close to it as possible in my own style. Well, that was my 6th fan arts drawing. I wouldn't mind doing this again, so you are welcome to leave a comment of a character you want me to draw, and maybe I will definitely draw it. If you like this video, be sure to poke that like and subscribe button. Be sure to share it with your friends, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care of yourselves, guys. See you later.